What's up mga katisay? Welcome to my mini vlog! So for today, we're going to Statue of Liberty. So I'm with my Sir Derwin. And ayun guys, gusto niyang tanggalin yung mga balabal na yan kasi nakaka-girly-girly. So ayun, hirap na hirap siyang tanggalin. So he needs my help. So ayun. So ayan, 5 kami pupunta sa Liberty of Statue. And ayun, for the chismis ang mga person. Amazed na amazed sila sa Liberty State Park. And then yun, sumakay kami sa boat to going to Ellis Island. Yan ang Liberty. You see that? You see that? Yan pala guys yung Liberty State Park. Diyan kami ng park. Galing. Our first stop is Ellis Islands. Pero hindi na kami bumaba dyan guys. Ayun. So, naghintay na lang kami kasi stopover for like 5 to 10 minutes and then picture and then yun, napagtripan ko na naman si Sakura.
I don't know.
And then ayun, we're going to Liberty Statue na. Ayun, for the picture ang lola mo. Ayun. Ba, tama.
1, 2, 3.
Look who's here with me. What can you say about the Liberty?
I took photos.
Huh?
I did on Snapchat.
Ganda.
Statue's going away.
Ayan pala yung sinasabi ko sa Sam. Yan yung lumulubog. Hi, Dad. Oo. Pero yun kasi parang... Oo. Kasi nasa ilalim yan eh. Hala na lang ng pera. So, hi guys. We're here. Liberty State Park. Ay, State Park na. Liberty Statue. Here. So, I'm good. Seeing that? Nice. Taba ako. Uy, saan ka pupunta dito? We're going to the museum. 1, 2, 2. Sarap, tingnan mo ganda. Picture tayo. Ay, sandali. Go. Nakatalikod lang, pero... So, going na. Hey. Where's your boyfriend? Sara, yun o. Tignan mo na, sir. Sir, dito muna tayo. You know? South Arch Vlog. It's like that. So, nandito kami, guys. In the Statue of Liberty Museum. What? Pero yun mo dito, napunta dun eh. Yan. Huh? So, ayun na nga, after the long chikahan, and then, yeah. Papasok na kami sa Liberty Museum.
Hi guys, we're here at Statue of Liberty Museum. Video.
So, ayun na nga guys. Nakapasok na kami. And then, yun, amazed kami ni Sir Derwin sa mga nakalagay sa loob ng museum. And then, yun, may tumawag si Kim Kardashian. Yun, sinasabi niya na nandun daw sila sa, sa labas. Bumibili ng fruits and then drinks, you know. Ayan, ayun sa loob. Tapos, ayun, din yung mga crown. Ayan. So, ayan, for the take a picture na. Yan, for the video ang person. Oh, yan. Oh, hawak. Oh, may tagahawak siya. Oh, sige, pose. Oh, sige, go. Ara. Oh, pakak. Oh, sipa dyan. Oh, pakak. Oh, loko. Johan ko daw siya with my, video skills. I don't know what happened. Nahilo kayo, no, guys? May hilo kayo dyan. Ikot-ikot yan. Look, oh. Kahit ano nang ginawa ko, bahala na yan. Yan, go. Push. Sabi ko, maglakad siya dyan. Like, doing fashion show thing. Oh, no. Ayun, sobrang hiyang-hiya siya.
We're
here nasa front. So, mag-take a picture kami. And then, yun, sabi ko sa kanya is, baka manakawan ka dyan. Akala nila sobrang daming pera mo sa bulsa mo. Baka akala nila paycheck mo yan. Oops! See you